Hello, what is your name?
Hello, I'm Luis Agustin.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Christian.
Are you married?
Yes.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes. I
How
have
many
four.
kids? Okay, how old are they?
16, 14, 11, and 5 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years and 8 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No,
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
In Taiwan.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
550.
How many family member there?
4,
How many children?
2,
How old are they?
17, and 7.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, prepare the breakfast, then wake up the kid, and then change him to go to school, and then send him to the school bus, come back to prepare for the sister's breakfast also, and then tidy up the house, wash the clothings, and then go to the market, then come back, prepare the lunch, and then in the afternoon, get the kid back home, and then teach him to do the homework, then prepare again for the dinner, and then at 6 o'clock, they have the dinner.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
It depends.
Okay, thank you so much.